This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Victoria Eberhardt. Discover your slice of Tennessee paradise on this 0.26-acre lot tucked away in the peaceful Chickasaw subdivision of Lake Tansi. With a wooded backdrop and gently rolling terrain, this property offers the perfect canvas for your future cabin, getaway, or forever home. As part of the Lake Tansi community, you'll enjoy more than just land. You'll gain access to a lifestyle filled with recreation and relaxation. Spend your days fishing or kayaking on the lake, relaxing by the pool, teeing off on the championship golf course, or enjoying local music and seasonal festivals that bring neighbors together. With affordable POA dues and a community that blends natural beauty with modern amenities, this lot offers great value and even greater potential. Come be part of a welcoming lakeside neighborhood that feels like home from day one. For more information, review the details below or contact Victoria Eberhardt at 865-693-1111.